So in today's class we have a little bit of vocabulary, okay? So this is just a quick revision from the book, and we have four words here, four verbs actually that match that we can use with problem, okay? And they are separated in steps, okay? So first you identify the problem, okay? Then second, analyze the problem. And solve. Solve is very similar to Portuguese. It means to resolve, okay? And tackle is very funny that it's an expression that is used all the time in football, in soccer, and it means to pass it, to kick the ball, to finalize the situation. So in this case, you are finalizing the problem, okay? So this is just a quick revision that was in the book. And we go to there was some vocabulary in the book that was used in the video, in the TED Talk. Okay, so what we'll do now is we will connect the words, okay, because they are a lot of these expressions are new. We'll start with the most obvious ones, okay? So iceberg. Iceberg is a massive. An iceberg is a massive piece of ice in the sea, okay? A very big piece. So massive means very big, okay? Another expression that is very easy and a lot of people use in Portuguese as well now is 24/7. 24/7, all the time. In Portuguese, in Brazil, we say just 24 hours, right? So, but you are connected, open. The store is open 24/7. So the store is open 24 hours every day. Okay, so another one, hyper connected. Okay, so you know connected, and hyper means a lot. So the other expression that matches with this is connected using many media channels. Okay, so you are connected in many ways. Now we have three expressions that finished, that are left. Okay, so we have deprived, fainted, and one-upmanship. Okay, let's start with the top. So deprived. Deprived, if you are watching a film, usually they are talking about, it's an expression that is very common, is sleep deprivation. Okay, so when you have a baby, for example, you don't sleep a lot, so you are sleep deprived. Okay, so if you are sleep deprived, it means that you are not sleeping as much as you need. Fainted, we have two options here, to brag and to be unconscious. Okay, so which one do you think? Fainted is to be unconscious. Okay, and the last one-upmanship. If you don't know this word, to brag is when you're talking about yourself, but you are a little bit arrogant. And one-upmanship is another word for competition, but it's a negative competition. When somebody says to you something and you always have to show that you are better, okay? In the next slide, we will see other examples, okay? So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so sleep deprivation is when you don't sleep enough. You wake up and you are still very, very tired. Okay, so deprivation, because you don't have enough sleep. You don't sleep as much as you need. It's necessary for you to sleep more, and you can sleep more, or you don't sleep more. Okay, and one-upmanship is an expression to talk about that means competition, but a very negative competition. Okay, so the guy says, my boy just got his first tooth. That's nice. My son had 4 teeth at the same age. My son, mine can crawl. Crawl, you know, the thing that kids do before they walk. Okay? Rastejar. Engatinhar, sorry. Mine was walking long before then. Well, my boy can read. Anyway, so this, you say something and the other person always needs to say something better. Okay, so it's a very negative competition. You or the person always has to be the best, and it's life is different. Okay, and in the video we also learned, this was class with very rich with a lot of vocabulary. So in the book we also had in the teacher's book, so we had an extra exercise with lead the way. So I'll read the sentence, okay? And we women are going to lead the way in this new revolution, this new feminist issue. So lead the way in this case means to show others the direction, okay? So you're gonna show somebody the direction, you're gonna lead the way. I was recently having dinner with a guy who bragged that he only had gotten 4 hours sleep the night before. So it means that if he bragged, he said it proudly. Oh, sorry, horrible. Okay, you say very proud, you're talking very proud about something, so you brag. Okay, so a high IQ does not mean that you are a good leader. IQ in this case means intelligence. We have that expression very similar in Portuguese. In Portuguese is QI. Okay, guys, so this was a lesson with lots of vocabulary, and I hope you guys enjoyed and put in practice your vocabulary, okay? See you soon. See you next class. Bye bye.